All right, I'm back at Home Depot checking out the spring Black Friday deals that they have in the store. And if you happen to go to the store, they do have flyers at the front. You can pick it up and check out all the deals they are offering. It basically started April 9th, so a couple days ago, and they're going to be running until April 22nd. So if you're looking for a small push mower by Ryobi, they have the 18 volt, 16-inch one. It's cordless, obviously, and it comes with a 4 amp hour battery pack. It's actually two of them. It's going to be priced at $269, saving $50. And this one you do have until April 22nd for the deal. It is a small mower. If you have a really small yard, it might be something decent. They even have something even smaller, a 13-inch one. It looks like a little toy. You have string trimmers that are even bigger than that. So 16-inch would probably be the minimum size you want to go with, and it's obviously a better deal at the 269 mark versus the 279 for the 13-inch one. And they do have a deal on the 20-inch 40-volt Ryobi mower, and this is priced at $359. And it does include a 6 amp hour battery and charger, offers a runtime up to 50 minutes. And when you buy this mower for the $359, you can actually get a $99 value of a 450 CFM blower for free. So that's a good deal on that Ryobi. And if you're looking for the deal on a Milwaukee mower, they have the deal on it with the two forged 12 amp hour batteries. And right now you can save $200 on that. So it is $1,000 instead of the $1,200 price. So it might be decent savings there if you've been waiting for a deal on it. And again, you have until April 22nd for this deal. It offers a 21-inch cutting width. Obviously has the two 12 amp hour batteries. Offers a 60-minute run time. And ideal for up to 3/4 of an acre. It has rear and side discharge, bag, and mulch. So you have different options there. Comes with a 3-year mower warranty and 3-year on the battery warranty. And they also rolled out a few other Milwaukee deals. So if you're looking for the 16-inch chainsaw, they have a decent deal on that where you save $80 on it. So it's only $249 instead of the $329. This is going to be tool only on that chainsaw. It might be a good pickup there, saving $80 on that. If you're looking for something smaller, they even have a deal on the 8-inch brushless pruning saw where you save $80 on that as well. So it's only $200. That's actually a pretty good deal on that. And again, you have until April 22nd for that deal. And I do have the smaller version of I have the M12 hatchet, which has been pretty good. So I imagine the M18 would be even more powerful and obviously offering a bigger cut to it with the 8-inch versus the 6-inch that the M12 version is, which that one is priced at $269, but that does come with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for that price. So I think it's a good deal, $200 for that M18. And if you're looking for a deal on the Milwaukee blower, they have one with the 12 amp hour forged battery and charger, and that deal is going to be $349, saving $50, and it comes with that battery and charger. So that's a decent savings right there, saving $50. I have this blower as well, and it's pretty powerful for its size and being an 18 volt. I've been pretty impressed with the power of it. And the blower is rated at 500 CFM, 120 miles per hour, and it offers up to a 30-minute run time. Recently rolled out another blower of the 18 volt brushless one. I have that as a tool only, and it's a 450 CFM blower for $149. And they have the 16-inch string trimmer kit with the 6 amp hour XC battery and charger for $199. It was $249. But they have this where if you buy the two together for as a bundle, you can get it for $299 for both of those tools and then the battery and charger. And this bundle deal is going to be good until June 21st, so you do have ample time to get that. And the next deal is going to be on a 40 volt Ryobi chainsaw, a 16-inch one with a 4 amp hour battery kit, and they had that deal at $239. That's saving $60. It was $299, and this one you do have until April 22nd for this deal. And if you're looking to pick up some Roundup, they have some deals on that. Whether you buy the 1-gallon weed and grass killer with the Sure Shot wand, that's priced at $26. When you purchase that, you do get a free refill, which is a $17 value there. So make sure if you're picking up one to get the free item that you're entitled to. And they also have the same deal going on with the Roundup dual action formula. If you go with a spray wand one, that's priced at $33. You get a free gallon refill. That's a $25 value there. So it's a decent savings there if you're looking for some Roundup. And again, these deals you have until April 22nd. And they brought back a popular deal they did last year where you buy the Roundup concentrated formula. That's going to be priced at $26.97. So when you purchase that, you get a free pump sprayer, which is a $12.47 value there you're going to get for free. So it is a decent deal there to pick that up and then be able to have a pump sprayer for it. That's also good until April 22nd. And they have pretty good savings on the Home Defense by Ortho. It's an insect killer. It says it's up to a 12-month protection, which I wouldn't trust that amount of time for between applications. But it is a good deal, priced at only $10 for the gallon. It's saving $7.37. And again, you have until April 22nd. And this might be the time to stock up on some mulch. If you like the brown, red, or black color mulch by Scott's brand, the deal is you can get 5 bags for $10. It's normally priced at basically $4 each, but it's a good deal there. Stock up on some mulch now. And they have pretty good savings on the Ring floodlight cam. It is a wired light, so hardwired into an existing light outlet, and it's actually a pretty good deal right now where you can save $60 on it, so it's only $120. It's going to be good until April 22nd. And they have decent savings on the Nest doorbell, second generation of the outdoor wired doorbell. That's priced at $140, saving $40. All right, if you're getting any value from this video so far, I would appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already. I do have a goal to get the channel to 50,000 subscribers. When we reach that goal, I'll be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So help me get to that goal, and I really appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next deal. And then here's a deal I've shown in a previous video. And the last time I showed it, they actually had raised the price to the $379 on the string trimmer kit with the 8 amp hour forged battery and charger. So I guess they raised the price to $30 so they can say that you're saving $30 now because they marked it back down to the $349 mark. So when you buy this string trimmer kit with that forged battery, and it's a rapid charger as well that's included in this kit, and it's an attachment capable string trimmer. When you purchase that, you get an option of 3 different attachments that you can get for free. So it's one attachment you're getting. And those options are the 10-inch pole saw attachment, the brush cutter, or the 8-inch edger attachment. You're going to be better off going with either the brush cutter or the pole saw attachments because those are going to be the most expensive items you're going to get for free. Whereas the edger is only like a $129 value, but they have the brush cutter attachment that's a $169 value. And then the 10-inch pole saw attachment's a $179 value. And that deal, they're running until, it says April 22nd. But if you take a look at the sign on the original sign here, they say it's going to be going down on May 31st. So I think you have more time than what they're actually advertising it as part of the Spring Black Friday deal that you have until the 22nd. Now, if you're in the market for electric power washer from DeWalt, in particular this 2100 PSI one that's rated at 1.2 gallon per minute, this is a nice power washer. I have this one and it's awesome. And the current deal that I saw online is when you buy that power washer, you do get the 12-inch surface cleaner attachment for free, which is a $60 value. Now they don't have that as a sign here, so I'm not sure if it's going to work in the store or if it's an online exclusive deal or if eventually they'll bring it into the store or not. But like I said, if you're in the market for it, then maybe check the website before going to the store for it. So I'm showing again the deal on the M18 hatchet, which is the 8-inch one pruning saw for $199, saving at $80. I just wanted to show it as a comparison because I showed the price with the kit with the M12 tool. So the price of the hatchet on the M12 by itself is $199. So definitely, if you're in the M18 line or both of them, then definitely opt to get the M18 version for that $199. It's an awesome deal on it. And I know I covered these following deals in my previous Home Depot video, and it was towards the end of the video where they rolled out the BOGO deal for the yard equipment of the DeWalt and Milwaukee and even some Ryobi ones as well. I'll just revisit them here in this video so you have an idea, since I have more of the yard tools in this video. And so when you buy one of these kits from DeWalt, the 17-inch attachment capable trimmer kit with a flexible battery and charger, or the 2 8-amp-hour batteries and charger kit, or the 2-tool combo kit with a string trimmer and blower, then you have your option of these different items you can get for free. And they still don't have them priced on this sign here at this store. But to give you an example, on the 2 battery kit on the Power Stack 8-amp-hour ones with the fast charger, it is priced at $400, and it's also $400 for the 2-tool combo kit on the string trimmer and blower. And then the flexible trimmer kit with a 9-amp-hour battery and charger, that's priced at $349. And then so some of your options there, you can get the 8-inch pruning saw, which is going to be a $179 value for that. You can go with the 20-volt max pruner as another option, but that's only a $129 value. So definitely opt to go for a more expensive item like the 8-inch pruning saw versus the regular pruner. The other option is a power washer. That's a $149 value. Or you can go with the Atomic series of the one-handed recip saw, which this is going to be your better bang for the buck you're going to get for free, because that is a $199 value right there you're going to get for free. That's, of course, if you need that one in particular, but you'd have more uses out of that. You could still do some pruning with that one-handed recip saw. Just get a pruning blade. But some very solid options there you're going to get for free when you're buying one of those kits above. All right, next up is going to be on the Milwaukee, and you buy the battery kit, which is 2 12-amp-hour storage batteries and that rapid charger for $679. You have an option to get one of these tools for free, and those options are the 16-inch string trimmer for that's a $299 value, the 24-inch hedge trimmer, that's a $279 value, the 145 miles per hour 600 CFM dual battery blower, that's a $299 value, or the top handle chainsaw, the 14-inch one, that's a $349 value. That's gonna be your best bang for the buck right there, getting for free with that chainsaw. So definitely, if you're in the market for that, opt to get that chainsaw then. And they don't have any BOGO deals on the Ryobi 40-volt system, at least not on this sign, but they do have the 18-volt available as a BOGO deal when you're buying the 2-tool combo kit with a string trimmer and blower. It looks like one battery and a charger, which that's a 4 amp hour battery it comes with. Then you have your options of these different items for free tools, and that trimmer is an attachment capable one, so you could opt to get the 8-inch edger attachment, that's a $99 value, or the compact shear shrubber, that's a $99 value, or another 4 amp hour battery, that's a $129 value. You also pick up either the 6-port fast charger, or the pruning chainsaw, that's a 6-inch one, or the pruning shears, and those are each priced at $99. So the best, can't go wrong with any of these options in my opinion. Even though they have the battery listed as a $129 value, obviously it'd probably be better to go with another tool, especially if you're already in the Ryobi platform and have other batteries to use. And if you're in the market for a new Weber grill, they do have some savings on different models, so it might be a good time to pick one up, especially with the summer coming up and outdoor cooking. So they have a deal on the Spirit E210. It's a 2-burner gas grill. It is nice and compact, so it'll be good for small family. And this would be priced at $399, and that's saving 50 bucks. And that deal is going to be good until May 12th for that one. Then they have a 3-burner one on the Spirit E325, and it's a 3-burner. So it's a little bit bigger than the 210. Not by much though, but at least you are getting an extra burner. That's going to be priced at $499, saving 50 bucks. And that's good until May 12th as well. And if you're looking for the SBE 425 4-burner gas grill, this one is a nice larger one with the 4 burners. That's going to be priced at $629, and that's saving 50 bucks. And again, it's May 12th for that deal. And if you're looking for the Genesis one, which this one here is a 3-burner Genesis, it's the E315, and this one you can save 100 bucks on that. It's a nice grill, without a doubt. Weber makes awesome grills, and that's going to be priced at $799, saving 100 bucks. And again, that's good until May 12th. All right, those are going to be the deals I'm going to cover for this Spring Black Friday event at Home Depot. If you get any value from it, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And also be sure to subscribe and help the channel get to that 50,000 goal mark so I can give away the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. And I really do appreciate that support, and I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.